In Curitiba, in the heart of Paraná, there's a place where the city slows down and nature becomes the scenery. The Botanical Garden is an invitation to pause and breathe. Pathways lined with geometric gardens, seasonal blooms, and a calm that feels miles away, even just minutes from the urban rush. In the distance, the iconic glass and metal greenhouse, one of Brazil's most recognizable landmarks, catches the daylight like a living piece of art. Around it, lakes, trails, and open green spaces complete the experience, turning every visit into a gentle, unforgettable walk. And as the day fades, everything changes. At sunset, the sky paints the greenhouse in gold and soft pink tones, creating a scene made for slowing down and taking it all in. Later, with the lights on at night, the structure glows with a special elegance, quiet, cinematic, and unforgettable. Curitiba Botanical Garden, Paraná, Brazil. Nature, beauty, and peace in one place.